Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to transfer cryptos from your crypto.com to Coinbase. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you're transferring cryptos from your crypto.com to your Coinbase account, first of all, you need to log in into your Coinbase account. After you're logged into your Coinbase account, you need to click on the trade icon. As you click on the trade icon on the other page, you need to click on receive. As you click on receive, you'll be asked to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive or the asset that you want to receive. And once you're done selecting the crypto, next interface will have a QR code as well as the wallet address right at the bottom. So you need to copy the wallet address. After you're done copying the wallet address, next thing you need to log in into your crypto.com. After you're logged into your crypto.com, next page you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now right on this page, do the same thing, that is click on transfer in the top right corner. As soon as you tap on transfer, right at the bottom a drop down menu appears, and from there you'll need to click on withdraw. As soon as you click on withdraw, once again a drop down menu appears, and from there you need to select whether you want to transfer crypto or fiat money. Next interface you need to scroll down, and right in between you'll have an option as Coinbase. As soon as you click on Coinbase, on the other page you also need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, you'll need to enter the amount of cryptos that you want to transfer. After you're done entering the amount, click on withdraw now, which is right at the bottom. Once again, for the confirmation, you need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, click on transfer now. Within a couple of days later, you'll be notified that you've successfully received cryptos on your Coinbase account. So that is how you can transfer cryptos to your Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.